Good morning, children. First, I must tell you that till now, Kirti ma'am was taking your class, but now onwards, I, that is Ritu Bhargav. I'm sure many of you know me. I'll be taking your class, okay? Ritu Bhargav, okay? Fine. We'll be seeing each other in the online class, but here you don't have to do anything, only listen to the story. Only listen to the story. This is MCB lesson number 4. MCB lesson number 4, it is I became a man. Now just tell me first thing. Do you think you have grown up now? Do you think you have grown up? You are no more the same small child who would ask mama to do everything. Now you can do certain things on your own. You can do many things on your own. Plus, the most important is now, in fact, you are helping your moms. You are helping, you are doing many things for your mom and dad. You don't even realize, but you are helping them every time, you know. So, this story is about a boy like you who did something very big for his mom. Let's see what happened, how the story moves. Now, this story is about a boy called Carlo. The boy's name is Carlo. He lived in Philippines. Where is Philippines? Philippines is a country in the east of India. In the east of India. Now, he lived in Philippines. The name is Carlo. Now, one day Carlo was, you just have to listen. Huh? You can read from this chapter, from your books later on. You just have to listen here and understand how the story goes. Like, this boy Carlo was alone at home. One evening he was alone and it was already 8 o'clock. It was getting dark. There was a storm raging outside. Very badly. It was a very bad storm. And he was alone. Mama had gone to market to buy some things and she had not yet come back. The boy's homework was also left. He had not even finished his homework. And every time there was some auto rickshaw coming in the lane, every time he was hearing the sound of an auto rickshaw, he felt, Mama's come back, Mama's come back. But no, every time it was somebody else's mama or somebody else's daddy. His mama was not coming back. He was very scared. He was feeling scared. It had got dark. It was stormy. It had started to rain. And he was alone at home. Now what happened? Suddenly he thought how to control this fear. How to manage this fear. He was frightened. So he started telling himself, no, I am a grown-up boy. I'm a grown-up one. I'm a grown-up man. You know what is the difference between a man and a boy? Men are grown-ups. Small ones like you people are called boys. Your dads are called men and you are boys. Girls are girls. They never grow up. So he started telling himself, no, I'm a grown-up man. I'm not a small boy. So that he could at least feel some better. But no, the fear was very powerful. The fear in his mind was very powerful. It was eating away means taking away all his bravery. The feeling of being brave was being taken away by the fear. And suddenly, धीरे धीरे करके it got 9 o'clock and the lights went off. And suddenly the lights went off. Now can you imagine how scared he must have been? My God, Mama not at home, all alone at home. Dark हो गया है. It became 9 o'clock. There was raining. It was raining outside. There was a storm rumbling. And poor boy, he did not know what to do. I know many of you are also scared of going in dark alone. So what? Even I am scared. So even he was scared of being alone in the dark. And just then the phone rang. And imagine that time there were no mobile phones. Nowadays, so we have mobile phones. No, everything is there. Light bhi hota hai, we can carry it anywhere. But he had landline phone. Can you see in the picture? The landline phone. This is landline phone. This is landline phone he's calling. So the phone rang. He swallowed he swallowed his sobs and answered, sobbing. This is called sobbing. He swallowed and he answered. It was Mummy on the other side. Thank God he felt a bit relieved that Mummy had called up. She said, hello Carlo, I'm still. She was unable to come back home. And he said, where are you? Where are you? He was so scared, so eager to see Mummy back. So he said, where are you? And he was become very nervous, which is not good. If you become nervous, if you become scared, you cannot solve any problem. So kabhi bhi nervous nahi hona na, you should keep your confidence. But no, he was so very nervous. Mummy said, I am here in glories with your brother. He had a younger brother. He had gone with mom. The younger ones तो जाते ना हमेशा. Elder ones stay at home and the younger ones go out with mummy and daddy always. So mummy had taken the younger brother with her and she was in Glories. Glories means Glory supermarket. Which supermarkets do you people have here? Alvar में? Reliance, Easy Day, Suvidha. These are all supermarkets. Supermarket means where you get all the things under one roof. So Mama had gone to Glory supermarket, which was only 5 minutes distance from the home. It was just 5 minutes distance from the home. But because it was dark, because he was alone, because the lights had gone out, so he was very scared. Anyway, he asked his mom when would she come back. She said, unless we get an auto, how do we come back? She needed something to come back. And autos were not there. Auto rickshaws were not easily available because it was raining heavily. So he said, why don't you walk? Come walking home. She said, how do I come walking? The roads are all flooded. The roads were flooded. Waterlogging was there. It was raining so heavily. There was water everywhere. So she said, I cannot come walking even. It's all flooded. And the auto rickshaws will not accept any passengers from here. Auto rickshaws are not ready to take any passenger. Passenger means those who hire the auto rickshaw, pay for it. So she said, they are not ready to come there. He said, okay, Mama, what to do now? Mama had so many genuine problems. So he said, okay, then what to do? Then Mama said, do one thing. Like you help your mothers, no, at times. You do many things. Mamas don't realize, but mamas make children do a lot of work for themselves. So she said, do one thing. You come out of the house, wear your raincoat, put on means wear. She said, put on your raincoat, come out of the home, take one auto rickshaw, come and pick us up. Itni smart mummy hai uski. She said, come and pick us up from the supermarket. Oh my God. poor boy is only 10 years old. उसका तो दम ही निकल गया. She said, oh my God, he could not even speak anything. He's so surprised. He क्या हो गया mom? What is mama saying? I mean, I'm so young. I'm just 10 years old. How do I take an auto? Hail means call. So how do I call an auto and go to pick up mama from the supermarket? But क्या करे बेचारा. It was raining hard. It was dark. Thunder roared every minute. करके. Not that I was scared, but I was only 10. He's saying I was not scared. But I was only 10. ना छोटे बच्चे तो ऐसा काम नहीं करते. Who knew what danger awaited me out there in the dark? And who knows? Like nobody had an idea. कि poor thing, if he goes out in the dark, there could be any kind of danger. But anyway, he said, sure, Mama, I'll come and pick you up. Because if you refuse to mamas, they shout at you, they scold you. So poor Carlo, even he said, okay, Mama, I'll come and pick you up. But inside, so he's very scared, very scared. क्या हो गया इतना डार्क में? How do I take an auto? But then I stopped. What he said? So what? He's telling himself, he's preparing himself. No, I'm not a young boy. I'm not a young boy, I'm a grown-up man. And grown-up men are not scared of anything. So what? ये तो challenge है. I'm ready to take a challenge. So what? ऐसे थोड़े मना कर देते हैं. So he just said, कितना? Just 5 minutes distance है this supermarket. It's just 5 minutes distance from here. I'll go and bring mama. So what? Nothing big, huh? Anyway, he went into his room. He brought his yellow raincoat. He had a yellow raincoat with himself, brought it, wore it, and stepped out of the house. And he started and it was so cold outside. Chilly winds were blowing. Chilly means very cold. Winds were blowing, it was raining heavily. Lightning was there in the sky. When it rains, lightning hota hai sky mein. Okay. And thunder booming. These are different words for thunder. Raging, booming, rumbling, blowing. All these are words for thunder. So though he was scared, but he did not say anything. He's just preparing himself that he had to go and bring his mom. But then, my God, he had never been in a public transport before. Till date, he had only gone out with mommy or daddy in the car or on the scooty. Public transport means जो common होते ना on the road, like auto rickshaws, tempos, and these are public transport. So he said, till date, he had never used a public transport. But and imagine, suppose he remembered, suppose he takes an auto rickshaw and the auto rickshaw driver is a kidnapper. Those who kidnap the children. Suppose वो kidnapper है तो what will happen then? Oh God, he is very scared. Because he remembered कि usually kidnappers are auto rickshaw drivers. How do they come and kidnap the children? They come as disguised, dressed up as auto rickshaw drivers. Oh my God, he's so scared. Frightened tha. Just then he was thinking what to do. Just then one auto rickshaw came from behind and the driver asked, do you want a ride? Do you want to go somewhere? And he saw, just like kidnappers have big mustache now, this driver also had big mustache. And he remembered, ऐसे तो होते हैं. Oh God, if this driver is a kidnapper, so he did not even answer anything. The driver asked him again, are you getting into the auto or no? Do you want a ride? Want to go somewhere? The engine was on. The boy is scared. He said, chalo, jana to hai, do what? Yes, he said, I want to go to Glory's, the supermarket. I said, finally, he said, supermarket jana. And then he said, okay, get in. and he started the rickshaw. He's so worried, he's so frightened and sitting inside. If the driver takes him somewhere else, suppose he doesn't take him to the Glory supermarket, suppose he reaches there and doesn't find his mother, then what will happen? He was very scared. Suppose he does drop me off where he doesn't find his mother, suppose somewhere else, which the place he doesn't know, कहीं ऐसे ले जाए तो what will happen? Anyway, he started praying to God. And this time, when we are very scared, then what happens? That time we remember God very nicely. Then we start praying to God. So he also started praying to God. And just then, he felt his fears were going away. He was getting rid of his fear. Just then, the auto had reached the supermarket. It was very close by. And his mom was there at the door of the market and waving to him. And he was so relieved. He had found his mom and Paolo. His younger brother's name was Paolo. So he saw his mother. She was holding his brother Paolo with one hand, and in the other hand she had the umbrella. Now that Otto was there, Mama also came, and they both came towards Paolo and Mama came towards them. They also got inside the auto and they were ready to come back. And what did Mama say? Mama smiled to him and said, "You are really a big boy now. What a good work you did. You are a big boy now. No more a small boy." He thought in his mind, "Not a big boy, I'm a grown-up man." Okay, so he wanted to be a man. And he glowed with pride. He felt so proud of himself now. What a job he did. Do you also feel happy? Sometimes when you do something very unexpected. देखो आज मैंने ये करा, and then when daddies come back home in the evening, you just show him, "Daddy, see what I did today. So he had also done something very big. As they started to move, even the younger brother Paolo, he said, "Big brother, you were really brave today. You did something very brave today. It's not easy, evening mein 9 o'clock, it's so dark and raining, to take an auto and go somewhere all alone." He said, nothing. It was nothing big. Even one day you'll be able to do when you grow up. So he thought he was very grown up. He was 10 years old. And Paulo, who was 9 years old, was very young for him. ऐसे ही करते हैं elder brothers sisters, they are just like this. They always tell the younger ones, "You are nothing, good for nothing, and only elders are good." So, anyway, he said, Paulo looked at him as if Carlo was God. Why God? Because Carlo had saved them in the trouble. Carlo has saved them when it was problematic. As the auto drove through the flooded streets of the neighborhood, Carlo feeling very proud. He had faced his fears. Fear was a challenge. He had accepted the challenge and he had come out winner. He had come out victorious. So he was very proud of himself. That time though, he felt he had everything. He had a brother who admired him. He had a mother who trusted him. And he had a memory of a little adventure. It was an adventure for him. Adventure, risky trip or risky job, risky work is an adventure for keeps. For keeps means always to remember. He would always remember this thing. He felt invincible. Invincible means which cannot be defeated. One who cannot be defeated. And what is the chapter name? I became a man. That time he felt that he had really become a man. He was no more a boy. He had become a man. So that's it, children. Now what's your today no worksheet for you? Simply no worksheet for you. But what you have to do today is read the chapter. You have to read the chapter. Read nicely. Ask your doubts in the online class. We'll meet again. Okay. Till the next class. Read it once or twice. Fine? Bye.